Greetings, I'm Jonathan Spirit. Let's make miscellaneous progress, and welcome to Age of Engineering Supershorts. Let's start by focusing on Tech Reborn. We already have bauxite dust automated. 12 bauxite dust and 8 empty cells makes 2 small piles of titanium dust. I'm definitely going to need another ultimate hybrid solar panel. Titanium can only be cooked in a blast furnace or the arc furnace. Okay, that's a lie, this is totally a thing, but we have the arc furnace so we might as well use it. Chrome in a metal former makes chrome plates, which are needed for machine structures from Advanced Rocketry. And with that, turns out, time for a new building. You probably knew that I wouldn't do all Tech Reborn just from the title, but I didn't know until just now. Don't worry, it's okay, because I have a plan. Behold my Advanced Rocketry launch pad. It's built right into the mountain using all kinds of factory blocks and laboratory blocks. These are left face arrows, these are grates, these are blue wireframes, these are insulation, these are massive hexagonal plating, these are wireframe, these are small steel, these are engineer's pipes, and these are vents. Down here I have more pipes in the bottom, I have more engineer's pipes, and some fast fans. I won't need very much power, only for my wireless connection to my AE network. By the way, I do want to make this appear like it's being held up. I'm just not sure how. I could make scaffolds slant from the mountains, or make really big fancy scaffolds holding it up from 2 spaces, or I could make a couple futuristic thrusters. Please let me know which one you might think looks better, and also tell me if this looks horrible and needs to be fixed. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled survival. While I prepare for a quantum link chamber, I want to do another form of teleportation. Self-teleportation. Unsurprisingly, it's obscenely complicated. Don't worry though, because we're going to automate every bit of it. Let's start with teleporters, because they're simplest. Frequency transmitters, teleporter. Our first alloy smelter interface is full, so let's make another one with a phantom face. We can make pulsating iron, and pulsating crystals, and travel anchors, and vibrant crystals, fuse quartz, soul vials of enderman. That's a peaceful pack recipe. I'm going to set our experience obelisk to push into this soul binder. A vibrant crystal and an enderman soul vial make an ender crystal in the soul binder. Dark steel. Telepad block. I'm now growing sugar canes. 2 vats. Pulsating crystal in a sag mill makes grains of piezality. Ender crystals in a sag mill make grains at the end. I'll place my vats here with the fluid tank here. I'll set export buses on each with crafting cards. This one will be set to heads and sugar, and this one to grains at the end and grains of piezality. It's been a while between recordings, but these are now full. I discovered a huge bottleneck. My alloy processing is very slow. Thankfully, I have a solution. These level emitters, these exporters, and these alloy smelters will allow me to keep in stock conductive iron, vibrant alloys, energetic alloys, dark steel, solarium, and electrical steel, for now. All these alloy smelters have octadic capacitors inside them. Each of these export buses will have a redstone card, and capacity cards. I'll also set them into round robin mode so that each item we exported in order. To use an ME level emitter, place an item into the slot, choose whether to emit above or below a limit, and set a number in this interface. Thanks to these drawers, this drawer controller, and this storage bus, I now have access to all these alloys. It takes 16 buckets of water to make 1 bucket of Dew of the Void, 1 staff of traveling, and 2 rods of return, 1 matter transmitter, and 2 matter receivers, 1 dialing device, a charge porter, and an advanced charge porter. I'll place my receiver here and my transmitter here, with my dialing device here. Dialing device allows you to choose a transmitter to transmit from. It'll detect all transmitters in a given radius, and a receiver to teleport you to. If you press dial once, and step onto the transmitter, you will be teleported to the receiver you selected. If you click dial, the connection will remain, even after you teleport. In order to get rid of that connection, you can just press interrupt. I'm going to place my matter receiver right here. It does need power, so I need a power cell, but I'm still working on crafting a link card, so right now, it's going to keep the charge from when I charged it earlier. I'll give it a name of Advanced Rocketry. The Advanced Charge Porter lets me teleport to several different destinations from anywhere in the universe. You can sneak right-click on a receiver to set its destination, then you can sneak right-click to look inside and see what destinations you've set. Then you can just right-click to teleport. Let's go over to our Advanced Rocketry base. I'll set another destination for this charge porter by sneak right-clicking. To choose which destination I want to go to, I can just press set. I just installed Dark Boots Empowered 4 with Jump 3 so that I could have step assist. Unsurprisingly, having the materials to make this so easily feels good. Now that I've established teleportation to and from this base, it's time to start doing actual advanced rocketry in the next episode. Yes, that means that's it for today's episode. Next episode, we'll work on advanced rocketry, like I said. As always, if you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it. I hope you enjoyed.